Hey everyone. This is Sweat Life, and today we're cutting straight to the truth. You're training, you're lifting, you're putting in work, but your chest still flat. No gains. It's time to break down the 5 main reasons why your chest never grows, and more importantly, how to fix it. Let's get it. 1. You're not activating your chest, just moving the weight. Let's be real, too many people think they're training chest, but they're really just pressing with shoulders and triceps. Why it happens? You're focused on lifting heavy or hitting reps instead of actually feeling your chest contract. If you're benching and don't feel your pecs working, you're wasting time. How to fix it? 1. Start with lighter weights and squeeze at the top. 2. Slow down the eccentric, lowering, part of the rep. 3. Try pre-exhausting with cable flies before pressing. Mind-muscle connection isn't bro science, it's real. No entry sign. 2. You train chest like every other muscle. Your chest is a large, complex muscle group. Hitting it once a week with flat bench and dips isn't going to cut it. Why it happens? People get stuck in the classic Monday bench press routine, and forget about volume, frequency, and angles. How to fix it? 1. Train chest 2x a week, split it across push days or upper days. 2. Hit all areas, upper, mid, and lower chest. 3. Add incline presses, dips, and flies to your rotation. Chest isn't one muscle, treat it like 3 zones. No entry sign. 3. Your form sucks. Harsh. Maybe. But true? Half reps, bouncing off the chest, flaring elbows, all of it kills gains and invites injuries. Why it happens? Chasing ego lifts or not knowing proper mechanics. How to fix it? 1. On presses, keep your elbows at a 45 degrees angle. 2. Slight arch in the lower back for stability. 3. Touch your chest, gently, and push through your palms. 4. Control the weight, don't let it control you. Perfect reps greater than heavy reps. Always? No entry sign. 4. You're ignoring progressive overload. If you're lifting the same weights for the same reps week after week, your body has zero reason to grow. Why it happens? You stop tracking progress, or you fear increasing weights will break your form. How to fix it? 1. Track every set, every week. 2. Increase weight, reps, or time under tension consistently. 3. Don't jump from 135 to 185. 3. Small jumps win long term. If you're not progressing, you're plateauing. No entry sign. 5. Nutrition and recovery. Nah, you're skipping those. Training is just one piece. You can crush every workout, but if your recovery and food aren't on point, you won't grow. Why it happens? People underestimate how much muscle needs fuel and sleep. How to fix it? 1. Eat in a small surplus, 300 to 500 extra calories daily. 2. Prioritize protein, 1 gram per pound of body weight. 3. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. 4. Take rest days seriously. Muscle grows when you rest, not in the gym. Lift heavy. Eat more. Sleep deep. Repeat. Drop a comment if you're making any of these mistakes, hit that like if you're serious about your gains, and don't forget to subscribe to Sweat Life for weekly no BS fitness content.